Hello everyone, I'm Judy from the HUAYEE Construction Machinery team. Today, I'm going to take you on an in-depth tour of one of the most popular mini excavators under the HUAYEE brand, the HUAYEE HY12S. As a core best-selling model of HUAYEE construction machinery, the HY12S not only embodies the brand's product philosophy of precision engineering, high efficiency and practicality, but also has won wide recognition from global users in landscaping maintenance, municipal rush repairs, farm renovation, and small-scale foundation construction, thanks to its compact size, robust power, and flexible maneuverability. In this review, we'll break down its structural highlights, configuration options and hands-on operational experience, giving you a comprehensive and insightful look at the true capabilities of this 12S Mini Excavator, and letting you feel the technical accumulation and craftsmanship of HUAYEE in the field of small construction equipment. With an overall weight of only 1.2 tons and a body width of just 94 centimeters, this optimal dimension is a precise R&D achievement of HUAYEE targeted narrow working scenarios. Whether it is narrow backyard passages, gaps between orchard rows, indoor demolition sites, or small construction areas, it can navigate through effortlessly, perfectly solving the industry pain points that traditional equipment can't get in or turn around, and highlighting HUAYEE's profound insight into users' actual operation needs. The 1.2-ton lightweight body is equipped with a 13.6 HP power system. This golden combination, calibrated by HUAYEE engineers, achieves a triple breakthrough in stable output, fuel saving, and long-lasting durability, and is recognized as a high-efficiency power solution among peer models in the same class. The boom and arm structure of the HY12S inherits HUAYEE's material selection standard of high-strength steel. Its lightweight design balances super load-bearing capacity, making it suitable for high-frequency earth-moving operations. Through HUAYEE's exclusive structural geometry angle optimization technology, the digging radius reaches 380 millimeters, which has a significant advantage over peers in the same class. Especially the precise matching between the arm length and the overall machine proportion makes the equipment more flexible in lifting and extending the arm in narrow spaces. With operation efficiency far exceeding similar products, the bucket adopts the three-tooth design customized by HUAYEE. It is more efficient and less tiring when breaking soil and digging sand. You can also choose the appropriate tool according to your work requirements. There are large buckets or small-sized buckets available, and multiple auxiliary tools can be replaced. This machine is equipped with a hydraulic thumb clamp. Both the bucket strength and the thumb clamp are tested by HUAYEE Laboratory under heavy load compression. The hydraulic system issue that many users are most concerned about has been perfectly solved on the HY12S. HUAYEE engineers adopt an internal hydraulic pipeline layout with metal pipelines integrated on the upper part of the boom and arm for compact and wear-resistant routing. Precision large angle bending technology is applied at key turning points to effectively reduce hydraulic flow loss. Paired with the HUAYEE high-efficiency hydraulic system, delivers ultra-smooth movements with minimal lag. Even when performing three simultaneous operations, swiveling, dousing, and arm extending, the machine still runs stably without jerking. Additionally, the hydraulic rod is crafted from precision engineered materials, boasting corrosion resistance and impact protection. Its sealing system pairs seamlessly with the hydraulic cylinder, preventing hydraulic oil leakage from gaps. This ensures every bit of power is fully utilized to drive the arm's movements. In simple terms, the hydraulic rod is the hydraulic cylinder's power transmitting arm. The cylinder provides the force and the rod transfers it. With each extension and retraction, It drives the excavator's arm to operate. This is the key reason why the excavator's arm is both agile and powerful. Let's take a look at the smooth operation between each section of the hydraulic system. As we can see, every section of the hydraulic system operates extremely smoothly. The dozer blade is made of high-strength materials that meet HUAYEE's high standards, supporting stable low-speed dozing work. The pipeline is equipped with a HUAYEE patented locking device to prevent shaking and collision, further enhancing equipment durability. The HY12S comes standard with HUAYEE thickened rubber tracks, which feature higher rubber density and greater thickness, while being sturdy and durable. They also have the characteristic of ground friendliness. They won't damage floor tiles or turf, nor will they crush backyard vegetation and fruit tree roots. The superior grip, combined with the 1.2-ton overall weight of the machine, ensures stable operation without slipping on muddy, gravelly, and sloped terrain. This is a perfect embodiment of HUAYEE's dual product philosophy of high efficiency operation to environment-friendly performance. Above the driver's seat of this machine is a 4-bar safety protection roof crafted from high-strength materials with precision engineering. It not only ensures construction safety, but also features a panoramic design that won't hinder operational visibility. Additionally, LED lighting fixtures are installed on the boom to meet the needs of nighttime driving and construction. Next, let's experience the operational performance of this machine. Despite its compact size, the HY12S delivers an operation feel that is far from cheap and fully reflects the precision craftsmanship of the HUAYEE brand. The control is comfortable and smooth. Many users who have never operated an excavator can complete basic tasks such as trench digging and loading in just 10 minutes. The control levers respond sensitively with smooth and stable movements. The optional HUAYEE Boom swing device is the icing on the cake for multi-purpose functionality, making it ideal not only for conventional projects such as building construction and land leveling, but also for precision work in confined spaces. In summary, the HUAYEE HY12S is a high-quality mini excavator that strikes an excellent balance between performance and practicality. Leveraging HUAYEE years of technical accumulation and R&D expertise in the field of small construction machinery, the HY12S boasts strong competitiveness in the 1.2-ton mini excavator market. Thanks to its rational structural design, reliable power system, and flexible, high-efficiency operational performance. Whether you are in need of a dependable, full, efficient, and easy to operate piece of equipment suitable for multi-scenario applications such as urban landscaping, courtyard renovation, farmland trenching, and small-scale construction projects, the HUAYEE HY12S is definitely your top choice. Choosing HUAYEE means opting for a highly efficient and reliable solution for small construction equipment. We have a professional technical support team that provides on-site commissioning, maintenance guidance, and customized operation training, comprehensively ensuring the stable and efficient operation of your equipment throughout its entire service life. What's more, backed by our global after-sales service network, we offer a fast supply of genuine spare parts and round-the-clock online technical consultation, completely eliminating your post-purchase worries. In our next episode, we will bring you an in-depth analysis of a brand new model. Please stay tuned. Thank you all.